This is Higher Maths, it's practice paper E. We're looking at question 7 in the calculator paper. Okay, we have a log question here, and what we have, we've to solve log x plus 2 to the base x plus log 2x minus 3 to the base x is equal to 2, okay? And we've also got something at the end here that tells me that x is greater than 3 upon 2. So when I look at my solutions at the end, I'm going to make sure that the x value falls into that range that's there. Okay, so let's start this question here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get all of this left hand side here under 1 log, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the that addition law, where I can put it under 1 log straight away by showing these parts here multiplied together. So I've got log, and it's base x, and what I've got is I've got x plus 2, and I've got 2x minus 3. So what I've done is put it under 1 log and just multiplied these two parts here. And that equals 2. From there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to the exponential form. So changing to the exponential form, this part here, so x plus 2, 2x minus 3 is going to be equal to, and it's going to be the base that I've got here, so the base is x, and it's to the power of that one there, which is 2. So that's me changed it to exponential form, get rid of the logs, and from there I should be able to solve this. Now, looks quite difficult to do, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this part out, gather everything together, and I should be able to factorise from there. Right, make it equal to 0. Right, let's go for this first. Let's multiply the brackets out first. So I've got 2x squared, I'll do the outsides, minus 3x, insides plus 4x, and finally the last, which will give me minus 6, and that all equals x squared. Bring everything over to the left hand side, so that coming over will be negative, so that will give me x squared here, and gathering these together will give me plus x, and I've got minus 6, and that equals 0. So there I can go ahead and factorise that out and see the solutions that I get from that. So factorising into 2 brackets still equals 0, so x and x, and 2 numbers that multiply to get 6, difference of 1, so I'm going to go for 3 and 2, and from there I know that the biggest one that multiplies out is going to be positive. I need one of them to be minus, okay, because the 2 of these multiplied together will give me the minus 6. That'll be positive, that'll be negative there. Right, so from there I can solve it. X minus 2 equals 0, so x equals 2, x plus 3 equals 0, so x equals minus 3. Now what I'll do here is I'll look back up here at the range that I'm allowed, and that is out with the range, so that is not a solution. Okay, so this one is not a solution, and that's since x must be greater than 3 upon 2. Okay, and from there I'll just state the solution. So the solution is x equals 2, and that's that question complete. Right, 5 marks to be gained. What I'll do is I'll get 1 mark for using the addition law and bringing that into that form there, the 2 of them multiplied together. I'll go for another mark for changing from log form to exponential form. 1 mark there for getting into a form where I can factorise, and I'll just take a mark for factorising it out. And finally, 1 mark there for stating the solution is x equals 2. Okay, so that's where our 5 marks are going to come along. Make sure that you state that that one's not a solution. Okay, that needs to be pretty clear. Out of 5 marks.